After the refusal of a request for a stay until the government lodges an appeal in the appellate court and, if need be, continue to fight its case at the Caribbean Court of Justice, a visibly disappointed Attorney General Basil Williams says he is in total disagreement with the ruling of the Chief Justice Roxanne George Wiltshire. The Minister of Legal Affairs, after stepping out of the courtroom, still affirmed his belief in what actually constitutes as an absolute majority in the National Assembly, even though the Chief Justice, in her interpretation, clearly outlined that there was no numerical basis to justify the arguments of the AG. The question is, now that the Chief Justice has reached the determination of what the Constitution clearly states about the vote of no confidence, what will be the next move of the administration? Minister Williams had this explanation.
So we feel very strong about our case. And just as happened in Cedric Richardson, where we went on appeal to the Court of Appeal, and then from the Court of Appeal to the CCJ where we won it, and stopped Jacques Diop from saying that he could have a third term, we're going all the way again. All right? So that's what I want to say, and there's no need to weep and gnash teeth.
The Attorney General, however, questioned the basis on which the Chief Justice's determination of what constitutes as an absolute majority. He drew reference to other court matters in the region which ruled differently on identical matters.
We have an absolute majority when he looked at our Constitution and a simple majority. And he said the absolute majority is stronger than the simple majority. It means that 33 cannot be the same vote for the absolute majority. And in any event, we are talking about a parliament with 65. It's an odd number parliament, and the cases show when you have an odd number parliament, to get the majority, you divide it by half plus 1. And when you divide 65 by half, you get a fraction. And since there are no half human beings, you have to round up the fraction to the next whole number. So that's 33 is half.
Former Attorney General Anil Nandlal was surprisingly reluctant to speak to the media following the ruling. There was also the postponement of the scheduled press conference by the leader of the opposition. The Attorney General, on the other hand, claimed that there was nothing to worry about.
When Nandlal them lost, that they appealed to the Court of Appeal. So it's all part of the process. So nothing is over until the CCJ makes the final determination. All right, so there's nothing to panic about and nothing to worry about.
Javon Vickery, HGP Nightly News.